See there? Stay in them. Like the place I'm paying them, you see?
Yeah, that's sure.
Keep that. Man. Stay in them. See? Have it locked, don't it? Man. Exclusive. We want the girl and body, so we say want your body. Tell them again. Want your body, I want your body, girl. Want your body.
Buckle them good.
Alright? We don't care about them bottles, yo. How this looks up?